Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study AI engineering. AI engineering is a fascinating field that blends traditional software development with the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence. It's all about creating reliable, scalable, and efficient AI systems. We'll cover the essential steps to embark on this exciting career path, from foundational knowledge to practical application. Get ready to dive deep into the world of intelligent systems. To build a strong foundation, begin by mastering Python, the primary language for AI. You'll also need a firm grasp of core computer science principles, including data structures and algorithms, which are crucial for efficient code. Furthermore, a solid understanding of mathematics, particularly linear algebra and calculus, provides the theoretical bedrock for many AI models. These skills are your essential building blocks. Next, immerse yourself in core AI concepts. Study diverse machine learning algorithms, understanding when and how to apply them effectively. Become proficient with leading deep learning frameworks, such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, which are indispensable for building complex neural networks. Additionally, familiarize yourself with major cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, as they are vital for deploying and scaling AI solutions in real-world scenarios. Finally, practical experience is paramount. Start building a portfolio with personal projects, contributing to open-source initiatives, and participating in hackathons to apply your knowledge. This hands-on work demonstrates your abilities to potential employers. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning by reading new research and staying informed about industry advancements. This journey requires dedication and curiosity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.